Welcome to the Create Workset plugin tutorial. This helps you efficiently create multiple worksets from an Excel file. First, open the tool in Revit and click Browse to select your Excel file with workset names. Once chosen, the file path appears, and workset names are listed in a given window. Here, you can select individual worksets or use Select All or Select None for bulk actions. When ready, click Create. The tool checks each workset name for uniqueness and adds them to your Revit project. A message will confirm the number of successfully created worksets. For added convenience, the tool ensures no duplicates are created, maintaining your project's integrity. Upon completion, close the application by clicking Finish. This streamlines your workflow in Revit, making workset management more efficient. For more information or support, visit our website linked within the application. Enhance your Revit experience with Create Workset. Thank you for watching this tutorial.